E continuando com mais informe, o Aeroporto Internacional Reina Beatriz está papeando de recorde em quantidade de passageiros e recorde em quantidade de ganache também. A companhia estatal abre boca e compartilha sua cifra com a prensa em quadro de transparência e para compartilhar o êxito de nosso aeroporto e a forma conta manter.
Nosso aeroporto por mira atrás de ano em qual bate tu recorde. Tanto de movimento de avião, passageiros não cadrente e sala terminal, pero também tem quantidade de entrada financeira para percurar pé.
Stay over visitors is usually the driving force of the traffic at the airport, and we have seen in 2013 that in the Caribbean we have ranked the highest with 8.3% growth in stay over visitors. There's been a rather varied image on this. Aruba, Cayman Islands, Curacao positive, other islands, other destinations sometimes negative. 8.3 is the highest for the region. And you wouldn't be surprised to know that with that 8.3 we have exactly the growth in our total passengers at the airport. 8.3% growth in 2013, which counts very well. It is higher than expected. It translates not entirely in what we call fee-paying passengers. The passengers departing from the airport have a passenger facility charge to pay. We count them as our main ratio, and that increased in 2013 with 7%.
Para lo que tenemos aeropuerto privado, conocido también como General Aviation, también conocemos un aumento en cantidad de movimientos.
67% passenger aircraft. And 27, notably, is general aviation. So the share in general aviation is increasing at the airport of Reina Beatrix. You will see the growth per segment in passenger flights, about 5%, cargo modestly 1%, and general aviation up 8%. So that's a good figure for our south side with our specific general aviation facilities. As to flights, commercial flights, growth in categories in North America plus 11%, Antilles down, obviously again due to the fact that both Tiara and Dutch Antilles had difficult times last year, and Latin America up with 20%. If you translate that into available seats, which we have as well, you see also the same kind of varying figures. You see higher figures, way higher for Central America, and you see much lower figures for the local regional traffic. In overall, 3% growth in seats. So we are still expanding flights and seats to the destination.
Na tour, tapos de 1.1 milhão passageiros que passador de nosso aeroporto ano passado. Recording number, pero também recording airport tax que nabay lá atrás.
The highest in history. And with that come higher revenues, obviously. Aeronautical revenues and non-aeronautical revenues. The aeronautical revenues are the blue bar in the graph that you have. Has mainly to do with volume, obviously. And the green bar is the non-aeronautical revenues, slightly up. If we analyze the revenues and the expenses, we have a number of observations to make. Obviously, the revenues, again, the blue bar is increasing, and the expenses have increased as well. That is not very remarkable. If you have a higher production, you have higher production costs.
PA aqui está premiará total de 25 milhões florin na inversão, mientras que de outra banda, o aeroporto pagou multa door de pagar turnan devem adelantar. O motivo está que aqui lo quer hacer fiança grande para implementar master plan.
We have a net profit remaining of 16.8 million florins, a rather satisfactory number. I mentioned to you before, because of the one-off expense items, it could have been way higher. But conservative administration requires us to take some provisions on certain costs. Apart from dividends, which are being paid around 3.3 million, we pay 7 million in tax over the results of 2013. And with that, we have invested substantially last year at a level higher than the years before. We have, pure on a cash basis, we have spent nearly 36 million florins on investments, partly initial phase of the master plan, which we will discuss a bit later, and partly the commitments taken are higher. That means to say that what this 36 million I'm presenting to you is what is cash spent. If you have a project which is overflowing the 31st of December, then obviously part of the money has to be spent in the next year. So the commitments are somewhere around the 45 million.
At importante pa bisa dos cos, e cantidad de pasajeros ng Asubi, e ganashi de nosso aeropuerto Asubi, mientras que de outra banda, nós está manejando um aeropuerto AWE sin ningún debe. Amita Patrick Pascal, pa ATV, Canal G5.
Pelo que está aqui, acaba for de januário para meio, o aeroporto está notando crescimento de 4% comparado com o ano passado. O crescimento está menos espetacular comparado com o ano passado, mas sim crescimento sólido e importante. Mas se tem na conta que o retorno de tierra aérea e outra aerolínea ambulando para e fora de Venezuela, que também está afetando a cifra e de quantidade de passageiros.